Dear friends, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. In this video, you will learn 10 very new, interesting, innovative New Year's celebration ideas. You could use any grade or any mode, online or offline. New Year's Day, according to the Gregorian calendar, is one of the most popular occasions in India. Many people throughout India celebrate this festive occasion with loved ones or in large gatherings. There are many diverse New Year celebrations throughout the world. These activities will encourage your students to find out more about other cultures. So, let's begin. Idea 1 is make a happiness jar. What is this? A happiness jar is a glass jar in which you put a daily note of gratitude. Take a large plastic jar. Write down one good thing that has happened or one thing you are grateful for that day on a piece of paper. Then fold it up and pop it into the jar. Read a few of each day or at the end of the week. This will promote positive thinking. Now let's move to the next. It is New Year around the world. New Year's Eve traditions of various countries are different. So children select few countries, make an interactive flipbook, research on the topic. You can also include a mapping activity, a recipe activity, a resolution activity in it. It is a great tool to guide students' thorough research project. Students will move through basic facts to higher level thinking on the topic. Guess what the next? The next idea, New Year card, which is very popular and general. But what is unique? Making a card for a special one, always fun and favorite activity for kids. But this time they can make and write message too for their special one. They want to say or convey to their loved ones. Write by yourself, not copy it. Guess what I want to say. Banani and next is Ake Mastya Medata. Don't know. These are when you want to greet New Year to someone in French and Japanese respectively. So the next idea is related to it and very interesting too. Choose one or two of the countries, then learn how to say Happy New Year in their language. Create a poster saying Happy New Year in the language you chose, along with 3 to 5 facts about their New Year's traditions. This idea promotes children's love for other languages and they know other traditions too. Next idea is very common but very useful. This is resolutions writing. Make a list of resolutions for themselves in several categories like what you want in schools, home, community, etc. Now, what is new? The teacher can collect it and keep the papers in their portfolio. Then return them during the last week of the session. It will be good for their reflection and for noting progress they made. This idea is very interesting. It is for puzzle lovers. A to Z brainstorm. What is this? By this game, vocabulary will be enhanced and learn positive words. Required things are: take a colored sheet, write A to Z on it, Now brainstorm and write inspirational words starting with each alphabet. Please note, you can play this game individually or in a group. In a group, teacher can ask and students will have to reply as quick as possible. Children can paste related pictures on a particular word. This will improve their visual intelligence too. As an example for you, you can create a sheet like this. Inspirational words for 2022. A for ambition, D for degree, F for friendship, I for innovative, P for promotion, and W for wellness. Left areas to be filled by you. See what is the next interesting activity. It is related to your emotions and enhance your emotional intelligence. Write your feelings after getting achievements. Like when you finish your work on time, what you feel? Or helping mother, then what you feel? Write down your emotions. Gradually, you could learn to recognize and manage your emotions in a right way. Journey of this video we have completed with tiny steps till now. Why I am telling this? Because journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step and secret to success. How? Breaking big tasks into small steps or attainable steps. For this, follow these steps. Set a task, which is your goal. Next, break it down into small, attainable tasks. Then, take action each and every day. Eventually, you yield major task, that is your goal. Let's take it with example. Suppose your New Year resolution is to read more in this year. So the goal is start reading more. You can attain this goal to commit yourself to read 2 pages daily or 20 minutes in a day. You have to read 2 pages daily or 20 minutes daily. You will be surprised by the end of the year without any effort. You will have read over 700 pages. Now, time for setting your own goal and write it into small steps. Let's move on bad to good. Oh, this is our next idea. Change a bad habit. Write down your own aspirations and try to change your focus. It to list less of this, more of this. Write less doing things late. Less create mess in my room. Less feeling guilty when I take a rest for some time. Now write in more of this column. Do more sports to feel good physically. Do more yoga. More enjoy resting and recovering time. Last but not the least, enjoy the bingo. This time this is wellness bingo. Create a list of activities. When you complete an activity, put a star on it. You must mark at least 6 activities to have your wellness bingo complete. You could check it at the end of each month. If you enjoyed these activities, please comment down if any suggestion. On behalf of Bhavya's Learning Planet, we wish you happy and prosperous New Year to all of you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.